I mentioned earlier that one of the things you should probably want out of a data recovery solution is something that is dead simple. You should have seen that here in the demonstration that even though we've done quite a bit of clicking around, the process to fail over and fail back a virtual machine was, well, it was pretty dead simple. When we talked about this module, we went through the implementation of some WAN accelerators, a pair of these tools on either side of our WAN connection to speed up the process of transferring all this data. We took a look then at replica seeding and mapping, and also network mapping and re-IPing, all as steps to make easier and make feasible the process of replicating virtual machines. We then created and executed a replication job to fail over our highly critical SQL server to our disaster recovery site. We then failed over that replica and then failed it back and committed the failback to successfully test that use case should our primary site go down. Coming up next, we have the third of the three major topics here in backup, replication, and then restore, that being restore. In the next module, we'll talk about the different data recovery options that exist here with Veeam. We'll talk about entire virtual machine recovery or instant virtual machine recovery. We'll talk about restoring virtual disks and individual files, and even digging into those virtual disks to grab at individual files and folders, as well as application objects like rows in a SQL database. We'll talk about restoring there to Microsoft Azure, and I'll show you a quick Veeam backup extraction utility, which can be useful in those occasional situations when you want to do a restore, but don't have your Veeam infrastructure with which to complete that restore. That conversation on the restore activities in our Veeam backup and recovery infrastructure is a topic for our next module coming up.